Hey guys, what's up? So right now I'm playing with Lita's fancy fisheye lens, and it is so round that I feel like I'm in a snow globe. Nobody's face should ever look this distorted. Right now I seriously look like a psychopathic pizza delivery guy. It's like I'm delivering pizza from hell. Oh, here comes the 617 cat train. All aboard! Next stop, Diarrhea Town, followed by Ass Poop Town. Make sure you have a ticket for Ass Poop Town. No layovers. Pretty kitty. Okay, run free. Run free! Oh, okay, I just wanted to show you guys that.